Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I know I'm in like a different place, but I thought that it would be cute for me to sit here for this video. I'm filming a what's on my iPhone XS Max, and I'm just gonna share like a couple of my favorite apps with y'all, and I'm just gonna put like a screen recording of what I'm doing like right here, and so you guys can just like follow along while I go through my phone. So this is my background, me and Casey. It's really funny because when I get notifications, they come up and they just like cover my face, and so then it's just Casey's face on my phone. Also, my case, I love this. It's like one of those like sand, it's like sand and it like goes down. It says my name on it. This is from Casetify. Yeah, and you can get it like custom and whatever name, and you can get it in different colors and fonts, but Kylie Jenner has one like this, so yeah. So when I first opened my phone, oh, this is my background. This is Blueface. He's a rapper if you don't know who he is. His music sucks, but I think he's fine. So I put him on my background. So on my first home screen, I just have like the apps that I use the most, like social media, so Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. I have my messages on here. I know it looks like I have a lot of messages, but I just have my read receipts on, and I don't want to read everyone's message, and then I just get lazy and they build up. I literally have messages from like 2 or 3 years ago on here, so that's good. And yeah, I have my email, Snapchat, whatever, Twitter, Instagram, Tiny Calendar. I love this app. You can literally like customize, I don't know, like blocks of your week out. So like I have like my classes in there, and then different times I work, when I work out. It's just really nice because it allows me to see like my open gaps in my day, so when I can like work out or when I have free time. I love this app. It's free, but I like paid for some feature. It was only like $1, I think. Anyways, okay, so the next page. Okay, so I did this, I actually got this idea from one of my friends because I thought it was cute. It's like organizing all of your apps by colors. Also, when I do this, it allows me to like see my background more, so I can like see, I don't know, the background better, I guess, because there's only like this many categories. Also, it's just cute to have like all of the colors. Anyways, so okay, starting with the orange apps, I have, let's see, home, I don't really even know what that is. Ulta Beauty, gotta have that. SoundCloud, gotta have that. Fandango's like, you know, you get like tickets for movies or whatever. I really don't go see movies that often, but when I do, I have the app Accuweather, because I have like 3 different weather apps on here because the weather in Texas is really crazy, and I don't trust just like one app to tell me what actually is going to happen. And then Sleep Cycle, I love this app. It basically just like tracks your sleep quality, I guess. So what time you went to sleep at, your time in bed. So like it's kind of interesting because it'll tell you like the average sleep quality in the United States is 72%. My average is 75%. In the United States, the average time people go to sleep is 11:23. Mine's 12:21. I don't stay up really late at night, so I don't know. I feel like I go to bed at a pretty good time every night. I don't do well on little sleep, so I kind of have to go to bed early. Yeah, so I like that app a lot. So the reason it has like a little time, what are those things called? I don't know, the little hourglass thing, and it's like grayed out, is because I have a time limit on my social media apps. However, I don't actually follow that time limit, like ever. I always just say ignore time limit, but it does make me conscious of like how much time I spend on my phone. I will show you guys what my screen time thing or whatever, my screen time, I don't know what to call this. Anyways, last 7 days. So it says on average, I'm on my phone 2 hours and 57 minutes per day. That's a lot, but I'm 40% down from last week. So good for me. Spend most of my time on Snapchat and Instagram. Tells you like how many notifications you get. Yeah, and then you can set limits, and it just like will turn gray, and it'll be like, oh, your limit is up or whatever, and then you can just press ignore, which is what I do. So yeah. Okay, now onto the blue apps. Let's see, I have Storm Radar because, you know, it does storm sometimes. Waze, love that. GroupMe, which is great because it's a social media app, and those are like, I already went like over my time limit for that. And then I have AmpMe, which is super cool app. If you guys have not heard of it, you can actually, so if multiple of your friends have this app, you can all connect to it and play the same song at the same time. So it kind of sounds like surround sound. So it's like having a Bluetooth speaker, even if you don't have one, because it's like everyone's playing. Like iPhones are already pretty loud, but imagine like you have 7 or 8 friends and you all have iPhones and they're all playing the same song at the same time. It actually sounds really loud. So that's a cool app to have. Shazam, Venmo, anything. Oh, I have one of those lamps, or the light bulbs that like the Philips Hue light bulbs, and they're connected to my Alexa, so I can say like, Alexa, like turn my light green or blue or whatever, and then it'll do it. So that's why I have that app. Then Facetune, gotta have that. Let's see, anything else interesting? Nope. And then, okay, so now for the purple apps. A couple of these are like TCU apps, because TCU's color is purple and white, that's why they're in this one. And then I have a Rolling Loud app. I am going to Rolling Loud, and I'm going with Casey in May. I'm so excited. I will definitely be posting videos from Rolling Loud, so stay tuned for that. Now for the green apps, let's see. Currency exchange app, that's always helpful. Bitmoji, Spotify, Cash App, Huji. If you guys don't know what this app is, it's really cool. It's just like, it basically filters your pictures as if they're like Polaroids or taken on disposable cameras, so you can upload any of your pictures and then just like develop it. But yeah, it basically just like does random light effects and stuff. It's really cool. I like the app. Panera Bread, gotta have that. They deliver, you know. And this Lime app is like one of those random like scooters that are all around town, and so that's what this app is. Then for my black and white apps, I have Netflix, Uber, gotta have Uber, Go. This is where I get all of my sneakers. I really like Go. It says I have to log in, but anyways, they have really cute sneakers on there. This is where I got my Yeezys and stuff. Visco, that's where I pretty much edit all of my photos for Instagram. They have the best edits. I did purchase all of them. There are some that you get for free, but like the ones that are, I don't know, there's so many of them if you pay for it. And again, I don't think it's that much, and it's just like one payment. It's not like a certain amount a month. So that's nice. And then Unfold is another cool editing app. They have really cool like borders for pictures. So I'll show you guys one that I've done. So like these little, I don't know what you call them, I guess borders, but they have like a lot of cute ones. I like using the FF1 because they look like little photo rolls, which is really cool, and then you can kind of add your picture in. And then lastly, I have the red apps, and so I have YouTube, of course, ESPN, Pinterest, Tinder, just in case, you know, I get bored. Depop is a fun, it's like they sell like vintage clothes, and like people like sell their own clothes on here. So I haven't actually bought anything off of here, but they do have some cute stuff. So and then Yelp, of course, for like restaurants and stuff. Relook is another editing app. I actually really like it. You can add contour like on your skin and like highlight for Relook. I really like that app. And then the last one, Daily Horoscope. I gotta have my horoscope. Lately, in the past like couple months, my horoscope has been like scary accurate. So I've been like, I just recently got this app, and I always used to check the like Cosmo one on Snapchat, and just the past couple of months it's been super accurate. So I don't know, I'm really into horoscopes lately. I'm an Aries, so I definitely check this every day now that I have it. Yeah, that is pretty much all of my apps. I don't really have anything. I don't have a lot of games. Actually, I don't think I have any games. Sometimes if I'm like super bored, I'll download one, but there's really no reason for me to have them if I don't use them so often. I mean, like, I literally don't have time to play games on my phone anymore. But if occasionally I'll download a couple, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Pretty soon, I'ma take your phone, or you should hide it in your pockets until you get home. Don't wanna see